Is your Spectrum app not working on your Hisense TV? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many users experience issues with installation, sign-in, and playback. This section will cover common problems and quick fixes. First, ensure your Hisense TV is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network with at least 25 Mbps for HD streaming. Check the signal strength in your TV's network settings. Then, check that your TV's firmware is up to date by navigating to Settings, System, System Update. Install any available updates to improve app compatibility. If you're having trouble installing the app, make sure you're downloading it from the Google Play Store for Android TV or the Roku Channel Store for Roku TV. For sign-in problems, try clearing the app cache in Settings, Apps, Spectrum, Storage, or verify your account credentials at spectrum.net. Playback interruptions can often be resolved by restarting your TV and router. Switching to a wired Ethernet connection can also improve stability. Remember to keep your Spectrum app updated to the latest version, as this often includes bug fixes and performance improvements. If the basic troubleshooting steps didn't work, let's explore some advanced fixes. Ensure your Hisense TV's operating system is compatible with the latest Spectrum app version. Some older Hisense models, pre-2020, might face persistent glitches due to hardware limitations. Check online forums and support threads for model-specific solutions. As of September 2025, updates like Spectrum app version 25.8.1 and Hisense firmware update v65 have resolved many issues by optimizing video codecs and improving sign-in reliability. Keep an eye on future trends. Expect AI-driven troubleshooting and tighter integration between streaming apps and TV operating systems. By 2027, 5G integrated streaming should further reduce network-related failures. If problems persist, consider contacting Spectrum or Hisense support for personalized assistance.